Okay guys, I'm back again. I just want to show you this crazy process we have here since we have another load of concrete. Here's our concrete truck. Concrete truck is pouring out that concrete right there. It's going to start going into that basket any second. You can see something's in there now, and he's getting ready to pump it. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's, grinding it up there like it's kind of, the machine's taking it from that basket into the line. Once he starts going, it'll start shooting the concrete into the basket there. Basket will take it down through this pipe, up into this arm, all the way up and across, back down, into the wall. So, here we go. It's going to start pumping here in a minute. Crazy process here just to get from point A to point B with this truckload of concrete. There we go, it's starting to run now, I think. There goes the pump. Here comes the concrete. He's got to be really careful not to overload it. Pump is pumping. There it is, coming out at the other end. Again, I'm kind of standing on this slippery rock here, so to speak. I got this, I can't move around too much. Can't get much closer, but I can show you what I can from this position. So there you go, you get the idea, right? All right, signing off.